All right, guys, you learned about some geometric shapes, right? We're going to add on to that list. I want to talk to you about a cube. Can you say cube? Awesome. I'm going to give you the definition, then we're going to talk about it. And then you're going to identify or look for some items like this at home. Ready? Cube. It's a little wordy. I'll break it down for you. Just hold on. A symmetrical three-dimensional shape, either solid or hollow, contained by 6 equal squares. Let's break it down for you. I'll show you an example and we'll use it. This is a cube. A symmetrical three-dimensional shape. Let's stop there. Symmetrical. It means it's the same on all sides. Isn't it the same on all sides? Yeah. Symmetrical. That's all it means. If I were to fold it in half or cut it open, it'd be the same on both sides. So this is symmetrical. Three-dimensional. It means I can hold it. It has a front, a back, top, bottom, side to side. That's all it means. Three-dimensional. Front, back, side, side, top, bottom. It means you can hold it. That's in real life. So it's symmetrical, all the same sizes. Three-dimensional, it has a front, back, side, side, top, bottom. And it's either solid or hollow. Solid means that there's stuff in the middle. So this is a foam dice. This is solid. It's not empty. Hollow means it's empty. This is not a symmetrical shape, but it's an example for you, okay? Excuse me, this is not a cube, but it's hollow. Boxes are hollow. You can tell if it's hollow by knocking on it. It's because the sound's traveling through it. This is hollow. There's empty space on the inside. This is solid. There is no empty space on the inside, okay? All right, and it is contained by 6 equal squares. So that means it has to be a square on every single side. That's part of what makes it symmetrical. So let's count to make sure we're right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 equal squares. Can this be a cube? Let's identify it. Let's see. Is it symmetrical? No, it's not the same on every side. Is it three-dimensional though? Yeah, it is. Is it hollow or solid? Yeah, it's hollow. Is it contained by 6 equal squares? That's where you got to think about it. This is not. We have 2 squares, and then we have 4 long rectangles. Is that in our definition? No, so this cannot be a cube. So this dice is a cube. Our little counting cubes are also cubes. It's in the name. Did you hear me say it? Cubes. Yeah, it's the same on every side. It has 6 equal squares, and it's solid or hollow, and it's a three-dimensional shape. Sweet. I want you to look around your house. Can you identify some cubes that you might have? Maybe you have an old cardboard box. As long as it has those 6 equal sides, it's hollow or solid, three-dimensional, so front, back, top, bottom, side to side, and it's symmetrical, which means it's all the same. As long as it fits all of that, it's a cube. Good job. Now let's go over the second one. Cylinder. What is it? Cylinder. Great job. All right, like we did before, I'll tell you the definition. We're gonna break it down and look at some examples. And then I'm just gonna share some information about them, and then we're good to go. Ready? A solid geometric with straight parallel sides and circular or oval cross sections. Whew. So a solid. that means it's one piece. Here's a solid. This beaker is a cylinder. Let's see if it fits in with the definition. It's solid, I can hold it. It has straight parallel sides. Parallel means it is two lines that are going side by side and they'll never touch. As far as they go, they will never touch. Look, if my hands went on forever and ever with these two parallel lines, would they ever touch? No, because they'd keep going straight. What about these parallel lines on the other sides? Yeah, they would never touch. Good job. So straight parallel lines on either side. To test it, you can just do what I did. Put your hands on the side of it. As long as they never touch, they're parallel. So we have parallel sides. It's a solid, which means I can hold it. And it has circular or oval cross sections. It's easier than you think. This is a circle. This is a circle. As long as it has cross sections, that means it's in the middle of it. It goes between both of those parallel lines. Look, here are my parallel lines. A circle's in the middle. That's all it means. As long as it has a circle on the top, bottom, and going through the middle of those parallel lines, you have a cylinder. I'll give you another example. You guys have seen me drink this plenty of times. This is my coffee mug. Do you have a cup that's a cylinder? I think all of you do. So remember, parallel lines mean they will never touch. Make sure they're parallel. Is it a solid shape that we can hold? Yeah. Does it have circular or oval cross sections? Yeah, it does. Look, it goes all through the middle. That's all it means by cross section. So is there a circle going through it all? Yep, there is. So these are cylinders. Like I just said, I'm pretty sure you have some at home. What are some cylinders you have? Yeah, if you're saying a cup, that's a cylinder. Did you think of a flashlight? Flashlights are cylinders, not the top part, but the long, narrow bottom part is. Yeah, great job. Now, I don't have all the shapes here, so I'm going to explain some stuff to you, okay? Ready? So, we have some geometric shapes that will roll, and some that will not roll. We're going to categorize them, okay? So, we're going to classify them by the way they look, and if they roll, and then we're going to categorize them on rolling and not rolling. Ready? What geometric shapes have we talked about that can roll? Can this roll? Yeah, it can. So we have cones. Cylinders. Spheres, remember those are balls. Those roll. And cones, remember ice cream cones? These are all just point of references you can think about, right? All three of those shapes will roll. Okay, so that's one category. And then geometric shapes that don't roll. Is this gonna roll very easily? Not unless I make it. If I roll that cylinder, a ball, or a cone, it's just gonna keep going. This cube, no. What do you notice is different? It has flat surfaces. So we have geometric shapes that will roll. And then we have geometric shapes with flat surfaces that will not roll. Awesome, guys. All right, so I want you guys to find some cubes at home and some cylinders. If you want, share them with me, okay? All right, awesome job.